Hey everybody, welcome back to the Soco Customs YouTube channel. Another festival for you today. I found myself in Toledo, Ohio, where some of you might be familiar. Jeep is manufactured, especially the Wranglers and Gladiators, as well as the diesel motor that they're now putting in them. They manufactured a lot of other products here. The Cherokee, which actually moved somewhere else when they decided to build the Gladiator, and the Dodge Dakota, Dodge Nitro, other vehicles like that. So we're out here at Jeep Fest, where I'm hoping to get some video of some stuff that you can't see anywhere else other than Jeep Fest, and celebrate this awesome vehicle. So the vehicle behind me that we got to ride in for the parade is a Jeepster Commando. This is a 1969, or technically a 1969 because it rolled off the factory floor early in 1969, but they really started making these vehicles in 1970. So this vehicle was a pre-production prototype. I don't know if I mentioned that yet, but it was a marketing exercise to kind of figure out how to correctly market this thing. But they painted it a couple of different paint schemes, and it originally came off the factory floor as a hard top, and then when they decided to go with the soft top idea, they cut it up and put the soft top on there. So interesting story of this vehicle, just and the life of it. But yeah, it's a 1969. He's looked up the VIN numbers, and it doesn't really come up in any series or anything like that. It's serial number is a hardtop serial number. The VIN number doesn't really exist because they didn't actually make these in 1969. So that's a pretty interesting life for this vehicle. concludes my Jeep Fest video. We didn't really get to talk to many of the vendors and talk about what they've got going on, but hopefully all those shots of different Jeeps gives you some ideas on how to customize yours if you're in the market. If you do have any questions about the products that were shown in this video, we can definitely track those down, call, or stop by the shop and do that. Give this video a thumbs up and give us a subscribe. We'll definitely be doing more Jeep content here soon. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
You walking in the distance, but I know